In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product catalog in Zoho Commerce. We'll move through the process from signing in to saving your first product so you can confidently build a clean, searchable catalog. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Head to the Zoho homepage and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look for the app launcher and choose Zoho Commerce so you're working inside your store's backend. From the left sidebar, go to Items. This is where your products live. To add a new one, click the plus icon. You'll land on a form with all the key details for a product. Begin with the basics. Add a clear title, set a friendly URL, pick a category, choose a brand, select the unit you sell in, and decide whether to show it in your online store right away. Keep the URL short and readable, and make sure the category and brand match how customers browse your site. Next, open the item details. Choose the appropriate type and item type for what you're selling, then enter a unique SKU so you can track the product internally. Add your selling price, which is what customers pay, and your retail or list price if you want to display a discount. Consistent pricing helps with analytics and customer trust. If you track stock, enable inventory for this item. Set a minimum order quantity to control the smallest purchasable amount, a maximum order quantity to prevent overselling in a single order, and a reorder point to trigger alerts when it's time to restock. These settings help you balance availability without overcommitting inventory. Under Custom Fields, choose the layout that fits the attributes you want to display. This determines which extra fields show on your product page and helps maintain consistency across similar items. For policies, go to Cancellation and Returns and select Yes or No based on your store's rules. Clear choices here reduce customer confusion at checkout. In Fulfillment Details, enter dimensions and weight, then select the correct units from the dropdown. If the item is fragile or bulky, enable the option to ship it in a separate package to avoid packing issues and unexpected shipping costs. Add tags to improve internal organization and on-site filtering, and toggle the Show on Sale badge if you want the product to display a promotional marker. Write a well-structured description and a short description. Use formatting for readability and highlight key features and benefits. If the product has technical details, add them under Specifications by clicking New to create clean label and value pairs. Finally, add SEO information to improve search visibility, then click Save. Your product is now in your catalog and ready to go.